friend of mine sent me a link to a video this morning asking for a breakdown. It's Tareq flying a Tron 7 from November last year, and I've included a link to his video in the description. Let's have a look. That is a bit unusual looking and very Tareq. If we slow it down, these are the things we're seeing. This is the start of the move, tail in inverted. He's using right rudder, and as the tail moves to the right and goes side on, it goes over the top to the left and upright. The tail swings to the right again, goes through horizontal nose in, and then over the top to the left inverted, through horizontal tail in, and swings to the right, and repeats. Over, nose in upright, over, tail in inverted. So to my mind, that makes it half Piro flips to the left. The reason it looks odd is because most people do it tail in, and also Tareq's style makes it a bit more unusual. This is what I think it is, which is half Piro flips to the left. If we turn it to tail in, you can see it a bit more clearly. And that's it. Feel free to send me some more maneuvers you'd like to see broken down. Until next time, good luck.